Panguva ine Bombshell Geza arikuonekwa panguva ino achigaina popularity. Panguva ine people vakavanirira Bombshell Geza kuti address. Panapa tiona kuti ZANU-PF is now heading for the October conference. Panapa vanhu vanga vakamirira the address ya Bombshell Geza. Sari pena mashoko ari kuda panguva ino. Bombshell Geza panguva ino achicriticize aiwa ma-army generals. Panguva ino achipati muri kutiregerera. Don't forget to subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Chipinda panapa Bombshell Geza moti kamni vamuchinzi the war veteran also focused heavily on the Manicaland province, which he described as a short-changed for too long. Despite its central role in the liberation struggle, he reminded his audience that at Nyadzongnya and Chimoyo, 50% of those buried came from Manicaland, and rebuked current leaders for falsely claiming historic credentials such as membership of the Crocodile Gang. Geza further criticized the aligning of senior military figures from the province, including Generals Gauke, and called for respect for Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Chris Muchangwa in other liberation stalwarts, like the later opened on the valley. During this conference, the people of Manicaland and all provinces must ensure that the voices of those who fought the war are heard. Geza declared, "We, the war veterans, together with the masses, will stop this corruption." His remarks signal mounting noises within ZANU-PF ranks ahead of the party's annual conference, which is expected to set the tone for succession based in policy direction heading into the 2028 election cycle. He rejected the notion that the party had legitimately endorsed Vision 2030, claiming it a lie and forced, and reminded listeners that the constitution does not belong to ZANU-PF but to the whole country. Tomashoko ari kuda panapa Bombshell Geza ari kukriticize aiwa nhau iri kuitika panguva ino yekuti maprovinces ese aindosa aiwa 2030 agenda yekuti mutungamiri wenyika atuke beyond 2028. Ari achiti aiwa it was forced, ari achilabel achiti it is a lie. Mashoko ari kuda panguva ino yatona ZANU-PF yatasara neconference akuzviki rinopisa. Mbodi dzemafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Kana komese kuchemedu, subscribe or like,